Essential oils have been used for thousands of years for their therapeutic properties. These concentrated plant extracts offer a natural approach to supporting health and well-being. This comprehensive guide will explore some of the most popular essential oils and their potential benefits, arranged alphabetically for easy reference. Basil Essential Oil. Basil Essential Oil, derived from the Ocimum basilicum plant, is known for its fresh, herbaceous aroma. This versatile oil offers several potential health benefits. Stress relief. The scent of basil may help reduce stress and anxiety. Digestive support. Basil oil might aid digestion and relieve stomach discomfort. Mental clarity. Some studies suggest that inhaling basil oil can improve mental alertness and cognitive function. Bergamot Essential Oil. Extracted from the rind of the bergamot orange, this citrusy oil is popular in aromatherapy for its uplifting properties. Mood enhancement. Bergamot's aroma may help improve mood and reduce symptoms of depression. Skin health. When adequately diluted, bergamot oil might help with various skin conditions. Stress reduction. Like many citrus oils, bergamot can have a calming effect on the nervous system. Cedarwood Essential Oil. Derived from various species of cedar trees, cedarwood oil has a warm, woody scent and offers several potential benefits. Sleep aid. The aroma of cedarwood may help promote better sleep. Skin care. Its antiseptic properties make it helpful in treating minor skin irritations. Hair health. Some people use cedarwood oil to promote hair growth and reduce dandruff. Chamomile Essential Oil. There are two main types of chamomile essential oil: Roman chamomile, also known as Chamomile nobile, and German chamomile or Matricaria recutita. Both offer similar benefits. Relaxation. Chamomile is well known for its calming properties, which may help reduce anxiety and promote sleep. Skin soothing. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it helpful in treating skin irritations. Digestive health. Chamomile tea is often used to soothe digestive issues, and the essential oil may offer similar benefits. Clary Sage Essential Oil. Derived from the Salvia scleria plant, clary sage oil has a warm herbal scent and is known for its calming properties. Hormone balance. Clary sage may help regulate hormones, particularly in women, and could alleviate menstrual discomfort. Stress reduction. Its aroma is believed to have a calming effect on the nervous system. Sleep improvement. Some people use clary sage to promote better sleep and relaxation. Eucalyptus Essential Oil. Extracted from eucalyptus trees, this oil is recognizable by its strong, fresh scent. Respiratory support. Eucalyptus oil is often used to relieve congestion and support respiratory health. Pain relief. When applied topically and adequately diluted, it may help alleviate muscle and joint pain. Immune support. Some studies suggest eucalyptus oil has antimicrobial properties that could boost immune function. Frankincense Essential Oil. Derived from the resin of boswellia trees, frankincense oil has been used in religious and medicinal practices for centuries. Now let's talk about some of its benefits. Stress reduction. The aroma of frankincense may help reduce stress and anxiety. Skin health. It's often used in skincare to reduce the appearance of scars and fine lines. Inflammation. Some studies suggest frankincense oil may be anti-inflammatory. Geranium Essential Oil. Extracted from the leaves of the Pelargonium graveolens plant, geranium oil has a sweet, floral scent. Here are some of its uses. Skincare. Geranium oil is often used in skincare for its potential to balance oil production and reduce acne. Stress relief. Its aroma may help reduce stress and promote relaxation. Menopause support. Some women use geranium oil to help manage symptoms of menopause. Grapefruit Essential Oil. Extracted from the peel of grapefruits, this citrus oil is known for its energizing scent. Let's explore its benefits. Weight management. Some research suggests that inhaling grapefruit oil may help reduce appetite and support weight loss efforts. Mood enhancement. Like other citrus oils, grapefruit oil may help improve mood and reduce stress. Skin benefits. Its antioxidant properties may help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Juniper Berry Essential Oil. Derived from the berries of the juniper tree, Juniperus communis, this oil has a woody, slightly sweet aroma. Juniper berry oil is believed to support the body's natural detoxification processes. Its antiseptic properties make it helpful in treating various skin conditions. The aroma of juniper berry oil may help reduce stress and anxiety. Lavender Essential Oil. Perhaps the most popular essential oil, lavender is known for its soothing floral scent. Lavender is widely used to promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Studies have shown that lavender oil may help reduce anxiety symptoms. Its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties are useful for minor skin irritations and burns. Lemon Essential Oil. Extracted from lemon peels, this bright citrusy oil offers several potential benefits. The scent of lemon oil may help improve mood and increase energy levels. Lemon oil's antimicrobial properties make it a popular choice for natural cleaning products. When adequately diluted, lemon oil may help brighten skin and reduce the appearance of scars. Orange Essential Oil. Derived from the peel of sweet oranges, this oil has a cheerful, uplifting scent. Orange oil is known for its ability to boost mood and reduce anxiety. It contains compounds that may help protect cells from oxidative stress. When appropriately used, orange oil may help improve the appearance of dull or acne-prone skin. Peppermint Essential Oil. Known for its refreshing minty scent, peppermint oil offers a range of potential health benefits. Peppermint oil may help relieve symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome and other digestive issues. Applied topically, it may help alleviate tension headaches. The scent of peppermint oil can help increase alertness and improve exercise performance. Rose Essential Oil. Extracted from rose petals, this luxurious oil is prized for its beautiful floral scent. Rose oil may help reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. Its anti-inflammatory properties benefit various skin conditions. Some studies suggest rose oil may help balance hormones, particularly in women. Rosemary Essential Oil. Derived from the rosemary herb, Rosmarinus officinalis, this oil has a fresh, herbaceous scent. Inhaling rosemary oil may help improve memory and cognitive performance. Some studies suggest it may promote hair growth when applied to the scalp. When applied topically, rosemary oil may help reduce muscle pain and inflammation. Sandalwood Essential Oil. Extracted from the heartwood of sandalwood trees, this oil has a rich, woody aroma. Sandalwood oil is often used in meditation for its calming properties. It may help soothe dry or irritated skin and is sometimes used to treat acne. The aroma of sandalwood may help promote better sleep. Tea Tree Essential Oil. Derived from the leaves of the Australian tea tree, also known as Melaleuca alternifolia, this oil is known for its potent antimicrobial properties. Tea tree oil is a popular natural remedy for acne and other skin conditions. It may be effective against various fungal infections, including athlete's foot. Its antimicrobial properties can help prevent infection in minor cuts and scrapes. Ylang Essential Oil. Extracted from the flowers of the Cananga odorata tree, Ylang oil has a sweet floral scent. The aroma of Ylang may help reduce stress and anxiety. Some studies suggest it may help lower blood pressure. It's often used in skincare and hair care products for its potential moisturizing properties. While essential oils offer many potential benefits, using them safely is important. Always dilute essential oils properly before applying them to the skin, and consult with a healthcare professional before using them for medicinal purposes, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, or have any medical conditions. Remember, essential oils are a complementary approach to health and wellness. They should not replace conventional medical treatments or a healthy lifestyle. By incorporating essential oils into your daily routine thoughtfully and safely, you can explore their potential to enhance your overall well-being naturally.